In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Semrush, and we'll get it done in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're moving on to another platform or simply no longer finding the need for a paid subscription, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred internet browser. It doesn't matter which one you use as long as it gets you online. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the search bar. Here, you'll need to type in Semrush. This will take you to their site where you'll carry out all necessary actions. Once you're on the Semrush homepage, the next step is to log in. If you haven't logged in before, you'll need to sign up first. Use your credentials to access your account on Semrush. It's essential to ensure you're using the correct login information to avoid any confusion later on. After you've successfully logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Semrush dashboard. Here, you should see your profile icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select the option that says Subscription Info. This is your gateway to managing your account, including the process of cancellation. Once you've clicked on Subscription Info, you'll be presented with your subscription details. Now, you'll be on the lookout for a Cancel Subscription button. Clicking this will initiate the cancellation process. However, keep in mind that if you're currently on a free account, you might not see this option. Don't worry, there's an alternative for you. If you're in this situation, look for the Contact Us option. Clicking on it will allow you to get in touch with Semrush's support team directly. Let them know that you want to cancel your account, and they'll guide you through the process from there. And that's it. By following these steps, you've learned how to cancel your Semrush subscription quickly and effectively. Whether you found the cancel option right within your account or had to reach out to support, you did it. Remember, if you ever want to return, Semrush is just a few clicks away.